friends, in this video we will be doing some problems in the topic of double integrals. So next we are having question number 69. Find the volume of the wedge cut from the first octant by the cylinder z is equal to 12 minus 3y square and the plane x plus y is equal to 2. So here our function f of xy is 12 minus 3y square and our region is the first octant of the plane x plus y is equal to 2. So first octant means the region will always be in the first quadrant. That is, the first octant means our boundaries will be x-axis and y-axis. And we have to find x plus y is equal to 2. So in this equation, first you will put x equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 2, this point, and you will give y equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 2, so this point. So join these 2 points, we will be getting our line x plus y is equal to 2. And we know that it is our region is first octant of the plane x plus y is equal to 2. That means it will be the region in the first quadrant with boundaries x plus y is equal to 2, x-axis and y-axis. Here we have to find the volume of the wedge cut. So the equation the volume is V is equal to double integral f of xy dy dx or double integral f of xy dx dy. So you can take either of the equations. Here for convenience I am taking double integral f of xy dy dx. So if we are finding double integral f of xy dy dx, in that case we will be using the method of vertical cross-section method. By using that method, you will be finding the limits of x and y. So we will be now drawing a line passing through the region. So consider this line passing through this region. Let us call it as L. So consider this line L. By observing this line, we are going to find the limits of x and y. So first we are going to find the limit of y here. So we can see that this line touches this region firstly at this point. At this point, what is the value of y? This is an x-axis, so the value of y is 0. And as this line passes through this region, it touches the boundary at this point. At this point, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 2 minus x. And we can see that the line covers this region when we shift it from this point to this point. So by considering that, we'll be getting the x limits of x. So at this point, what is the value of x? 0. And at this point, what is the value of x? We can say it is 2. So the limit of x is from 0 to 2. The limit of y is from 0 to 2 minus x. Now we will be putting the limits of x and y in our formula for the volume. V is equal to 0 to 2, 0 to 2 minus x. F of x is 12 minus 3y square dy dx. So this is equal to, since the interior we are having dy, so first you will be integrating this particular term. So integral 0 to 2, you will first integrate this particular term. Then, so when you are integrating with respect to y, here we will be considering, if there are terms of x, we will be considering x as a constant. So we are integrating with respect to y first. So when you integrate, you will get 12y, limit from 0 to 2 minus x, minus 3y cube by 3, limit from 0 to 2 minus x dx. Now simplify this, put the upper limit and the minus lower limit. substitute it, simplifying it, we get this form. Okay. So once you get this form, here we can see it is dx. So you'll be integrating with respect to x now. So you'll be getting 24x limit from 0 to 2 minus 12x square by 2 limit from 0 to 2 plus 2 minus x raised to 4 by 4 0 to 2. So now you'll be putting the upper limit minus lower limits, then you will be getting these values, and simplifying you'll get the answer as 20. So now we have next question. For the following problem, sketch the region bounded by the given lines and curves. Then express the region areas as an iterated double integral and evaluate the integral. So you have to first sketch the region bounded by the given lines and curves. Then you have to express the region as a region's area as an iterated double integral and evaluate the integral. So basically you will be given the region and you have to find the area of that region. So our question is the coordinate axis and the line y plus x is equal to 2. So here the region is given and you have to find the area. We know the formula of area. So we know the formula of area. Area is equal to double integral dA. Okay. So dA means either it can be dx dy or it can be dy dx. According to your convenience you can do it. Now first sketch the region. So the region boundaries are coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means our x-axis and y-axis, and the line y plus x is equal to 2. So you'll identify this line, you'll put x equal to 0. Putting x equal to 0, you'll get y as 2. And when you put y equal to 0, you get x as 2. So the line joining these 2 points is our x plus y is equal to 2. So our coordinate axis and x plus y equal to 2. So this is our region in that case. This is our region. This triangle is our region. Now we can find the limits of x and y. So according to our convenience, I am going to consider double integral dy dx. So when we have to find the limits for uh, double integral dy dx, in that case, you will be considering vertical cross-section method. So vertical cross-section method means you will consider a line, vertical line passing through the region. So first we will find the limit of y. So we will observe this line. This line touches this region at the boundary at this point. At this point the value of x is at y is 0. So the limit is y is equal to 0. And the line passes through the region and touches the other boundary at this point. This point the value of y is 2 minus x. So the limit of y is from 0 to 2 minus x. And we can see that this line can be shifted from this point to this point to cover the region. So at this point we can see that the value of x is 0. At this point the value of x is 2. So the limit of x is from 0 to 2. Now when we get the limits of x and y, now we can substitute it and evaluate it. So our area is A is equal to integral 0 to 2, 0 to 2 minus x dy dx. Integral 0 to 2. So first you will integrate with respect to y. So you will get y limit from 0 to 2 minus x dx. So when you put the limit, you get 2 minus x minus 0. Simplify it. You will be getting integral 0 to 2, 2 minus x dx. So this can be written as, now we will be integrating with respect to x. So integrating we get 2x minus x square by 2. Limit says 0 to 2. So in the next step, you will be putting the upper limit minus lower limit. So substituting it, we get the answer as 2. Now our next question is question number 73. The parabola x is equal to minus y square and the line y equal to x plus 2. So here our region is parabola x equal to minus y square and the line y plus x, y is equal to x plus 2. So first we can sketch this region and then find the area of this region. So first consider this parabola x is equal to minus y square. So we can see that we get from here y square equal to minus x. So this is of the form y square equal to minus x means it is a parabola of this form. We have already discussed. A parabola y square equal to 4x means it is of this form. Y square equal to minus 4x means it is of this form. So here we get y square equal to minus x form. So we know that it is a parabola of this form. So we can passing through the origin. So we can see that the parabola is of this form. Right? It will be a curve passing through the origin of this form. Now we will be sketching the line y equal to x plus 2. So we can see that here the equation is y is equal to x plus 2. So in this equation, first you will put x equal to 0. When you put x equal to 0, you will get y equal to 2. So x equal to 0, y equal to 2 means this point. Similarly, you put y equal to 0. Then you get x equal to minus 2. That is this point. So joining these 2 points, we get a straight line passing, touching the parabola. And we see that this line touches the parabola and this is our region. Okay, so this is our region between the parabola and our line y equal to x plus 2. Now we will be finding the point of intersection of these two line, this line and the parabola. We will be finding the point of intersection of this parabola y square equal to minus x and the line y equal to x plus 2. So for that we will be solving the equation y equal to x plus 2 and x is equal to minus y square. So this you can try. You have to substitute the value of x in this equation. So when you substitute x equal to minus y square in this equation, you get y is equal to minus y square plus 2. So ഇത് solve ചെയ്തു വരുമ്പം you will be getting two values of y. One is y is equal to y equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2. So from this solving these two, you will be getting y is equal to minus 2 and y equal to 1. So when you get the values of y equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2, separately substitute ആദ്യം y equal to 1 substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ x ന്റെ വാല്യൂ എന്താ വരുന്നത്? x is equal to minus 1. And when you put y equal to minus 2, in that case you will get x is equal to minus 4. So the points here are 1. Here the point is 1, minus 1 comma 1, and here the point will be minus 4 comma minus 2. Now we have to find the limits of x and y. This is our region. We know the boundary. We know the joining points. Now we have to find the limits of x and y. So to find the limit of x and y, I am going to use the method of horizontal cross section. Now we will observe this line L and we will be finding the limits of x and y. So we can see that this line L, the line L touches the boundary at this point. So at this point we can see that the value of x is y minus 2. So we get the limit of x initial value is y minus 2. Now the line passes through this region and touches the boundary the parabola at this point. So at this point, the value of y is minus y square. So the value of x is minus y square. So you get the limit as in x from y minus 2 to minus y square. Now we are going to find the limit of y. So we can see that this line covers this region when we shift this line from this point to this point. So at this point, the value of y is, we know that this point is minus 4 comma minus 2. So at this point, the value of y is minus 2. So it is minus, it should be minus 2. At this point, the value of this point is minus 1 comma 1. So at this point, the value of y is 1. So the limit should be from minus 2 to 1. So the limit should be y from minus 2 to 1. And the limit of x is from y minus 2 to minus y square dx dy. So now you will be integrating it with respect to x. So integral minus 2 to 1, integral x dx is x. The limit is from y minus 2 to minus y square. You will put the upper limit minus lower limit dy. Simplify it. Put the upper limit, lower limit and simplifying it, you will be getting integral minus 2 to 1 minus y square minus y plus 2 dy. Now we are going to integrate it with respect to y. So minus y cube by 3 minus y square by 2 plus 2y. The limit is from minus 2 to 1. So in the next step, we will be substituting the upper limit minus the lower limit. So simplifying, putting all the values, we'll be getting the value as 9 by 2. So the answer is 4.5.